Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again, it's the Braap man. Today we're doing a cold start on a LTR 450 Suzuki. This is a cold start and exhaust sound check. Stock exhaust with the baffle removed. Gas in this thing. I think the cherry bomb's acting up. Stock exhaust. This is it's got the cherry bomb with the it's the whole exhaust is stock, but the baffle back here was taken out. So it has the baffle removed for more airflow, but it still needs a aftermarket pipe because stock exhaust isn't all that great. You know, I mean, it's okay, but it's not. It's nothing that you want. If you want to get more airflow, you got to take that cover off the air box. There's this cover. This cover here has to come off. Just remove this cover to let more air in, and then you put the exhaust, the full exhaust on it. And then the cherry bomb's already on there, but it still has this cover on there. You're not going to get much airflow with the stock cover on it. But yeah, so quick walk around of this bike. It's all stock other than the cherry bomb. That's it. And a few cosmetic stuff. It's got Nerf bars and the Blindstar front bumper. And Nothing too crazy going on. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick sound check on this beast. Hopefully I'll have it out this weekend. Take it for a quick spin. But stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Peace and hair grease.